Alright, so if you want to consider to buy a TikTok account with a certain number of followers, this is how you can do it. You can come to this website called FameSwap, and I'll put the direct link down below. And once you click on it, it'll take you to this page, and you can just go to Browse. And then you can uncheck Theme Page, uncheck YouTube, uncheck Twitter. So that leaves you with only TikTok checked, and I would select Escrow Accepted. Now, using the escrow account option is definitely recommended because when you use the escrow, your money actually goes to the escrow account first, and then you have time to make sure that the account that you buy is everything as expected before the money gets released to the seller. So that is a much safer way to go about the transaction. And then here you can just look at the audience size of the TikTok accounts and also their prices. And you can also see which account has the audience report available. So I think that's always useful. So here you can just browse through the different options that you have to make your consideration. So for example, here we have a 7,000 followers account and that's being sold for $140. Same thing here. A 5,000 followers account is selling for $110. So that's the way that I would go about it. And let's go back to the main page. And then you can come down here and look at how the process works. We already saw the accounts that were being listed for sale. And then you can communicate with the sellers if you have any questions. And then you can send the offer if there's an account that you want to buy. And upon offer acceptance, you and the seller will begin the payment transaction through escrow. So remember to use escrow. That's definitely the best way to go about it. And when they confirm everything is good on both ends, that's when they will transfer the account to you. And then the seller will receive the funds from the escrow. And when you check their Trustpilot, they have mostly good reviews. So overall, this is a really good site. I know several people that have had good experience with them. So if you're someone who is considering to buy an account, I definitely recommend you to check this out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below.